Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your character in Tower of Fantasy. So in order to do this, let's click on this icon in the top right corner of the screen, move to the backpack, here's outfits, so click on it, and right now you'll be able to change its costume. So pick whichever you want and press use, and that way you'll change it. Now to actually change the hair, your face, or just entire character, you'll need to move to the outfits right here, click on this hair, and now you can customize how your character looks like, so just change whatever you want. And when you're done, click on the save, and it will cost you one of these cards, and your character will change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.